Happy summer, everyone. Now, for those of you who have been following me, you know that every summer I love to go to Goodwill and find great finds to redecorate my screened in porch. Well, this year not only did I find some great things at Goodwill, but I also found something really awesome at a neighborhood garage sale. So I want to show you how I totally redecorated my screened in porch and got it ready for summer. And it's so nice and comfortable. I want you to check it out. So take a look at this. While taking my morning walk, I realized that one of my neighbors was having a garage sale. They said they were moving, so they were selling everything at great prices. But the best deal they had, I found hidden away in their sunroom. They were selling this 4-piece real wicker furniture set, and I was able to get it for just $225. Now, even though I had a set in my outdoor space, I couldn't pass this up. So I decided I could move my furniture, which was more of an outdoor wicker, to my outdoor deck and make room for my new furniture. So, of course, my first stop is always Goodwill to see what I can find to decorate with. And lo and behold, look at this. I found some nice rugs, and this rug right here looks perfect. It's only $25 and it's an 8-foot by 8-foot rug, and it's pretty clean and in great condition. Plus, these colors will definitely match my furniture. I also found a few $2 pillows that I think will go great with the room. I also found this antique candle holder and a few other accessories for just a few dollars each. Okay, now I think I'm ready to start decorating. Since I moved all of my existing furniture out of my screened-in porch, it's time to put down a big aerial rug I found at Goodwill, and it looks really nice. It covers almost the whole room. I'm adding a little warmth and color by hanging green and sheer curtains. The green curtains are actually a queen-size flat sheet. I already had these, and I use them because they go from ceiling to floor and easy to wash. The sheer curtains I picked up at Walmart. I installed my new garage sale furniture, and the pillows that I found were a perfect addition to the pieces. Above the sofa, I hung 2 beautiful hand-carved wall art pieces that I ordered online. And you can also order these online from my Amazon page. And just to add a little ambiance, I'm hanging a few gold hanging beaded lanterns that I made last week. Click on the link above to find out how to make these. On each end of the sofa, I placed my pine cone topiaries. You can learn how to make these by clicking on the video link in the top right. On the center table, inside a mosaic vase that I also got from Goodwill last year, I'm adding a bouquet of my coffee filter roses. The touch of green inside goes perfectly with the sofa. Click on the link above to learn how to make these paper roses. And I just knew that large antique candle holder will look beautiful right in the center between the 2 antique white candle holders that I found last year at Goodwill. Right in the back are my favorite little moss topiaries that I learned how to make watching Amateur Decorating Like a Pro's video. Click on the link above to see this one. The large round tray that everything's sitting on I got from Pier 1 some years ago, but the little table underneath I found for only $6, also from Goodwill. Some other Goodwill accessories were this antique lamp, this vase, pair of mosaic glass candle holders, and this little hanging wreath, all for just a couple of dollars each. And here's a look at my comfy green outdoor space. And since I had to move my old furniture outside, I have a really nice outdoor lounge to enjoy the sun. My old outdoor furniture I got from Pier 1. A few of these pillows were from Goodwill. The blue, green, and white pillows I picked up from Walmart. But look at what a few candles can do. Look how cozy and romantic these spaces can feel at night. I feel like I have my own outdoor luxury getaway. And it just goes to show, no matter how much or little you spend, you can always find a way to live your best life. Now you can pick up all my favorite crafting supplies and products used on this show with the one-click, easy shopping, and fast delivery convenience of Amazon. On my new Amazon shopping page, type in amazon.com/shop/yourhouseofhometv and you'll find all the supplies for my newest project, all my crafting supplies, project pieces, home decor, kitchen, garden, and more. And pick up our Your House of Home metallic multi-surface acrylic paint. With 8 shimmering colors, you can mix millions of colors and paint on any surface, indoor or outdoor, to create endless home beauty. And while you're there, add to your cart our Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1, filled with step-by-step instructions for your favorite projects. Available here in paperback and ebook. See the information tab for the hardcover. Get this and all the supplies you need for your next project all in one place. I'll be working every day to add great products to make home crafting fast and easy. Follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Snapchat at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV for daily home, food, and gardening tips.